Hello there, kings and queens. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I've uploaded, but today we have a new video and I am finally dropping my morning routine, starting my day video. If you don't know who I am already, my name is Faith, and go ahead and stay tuned and enjoy this video. So first thing, when my alarm clock do go off, I like to wake up in my bed and stretch. It kind of just makes me feel better. And next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to make my bed. I am a neat freak, so I like, my bed to be made just so that I know it's aesthetically pleasing. Whenever I wanna, take a selfie, I know that like behind me is nicely made. And as soon as my bed is made, I walk over to my bathroom to brush my teeth. Now, last night I did not go to bed with makeup on or anything. I don't do that. But what I like to do with my skin in the morning is run hot water on a small towel like I'm doing right now. And I like to kind of just open up that towel when I'm done putting the hot water on it. And I like to push it against my face. But I love doing this. It just makes my face feel so nice and fresh in the morning. And next we are going to get into the shower. I like my water to be turned on boiling hot. I'm one of those girls who love herself a hot shower. Today I'm going to just be exfoliating as well as doing, my regular shave because I do like my body being very smooth. And my favorite part of showering, of course, is using my brown sugar body polish after. This does a nice job at moisturizing my skin and keeping it nice and soft because I do have dry skin. So when I use this, it stays shiny all day. Even on my feet and my heels, it just keeps it nice and soft. Once I'm out of the shower, I kind of like to lotion my body inside my bathroom. I just feel like, I can sit down. It just makes things easier. And I'm going to be using my Fenty skin lotion. This is one of my favorite. You can find it on Fenty.com. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to one of my favorite morning smoothie drinks that I like to have before work. And this is my strawberry banana smoothie that I like to make for myself. And maybe I'll drop a tutorial of how to make this in another video. But for now, here's just like a quick, one-on-one easy to make kind of drink. And I make this when I'm not having breakfast because it's super healthy and it's filled with lots of nutrients. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick little glam tutorial for you guys. Nothing too step-by-step-ish, but this is just, kind of what my day is consisting of. So I kind of just do like a little quick routine makeup, little concealer here and there, lip gloss, and then I'm ready to, go through for my day. Okay, so I'm adding my highlighter and we are basically done with this little makeup look. And today I'm going to be wearing a simple black dress since I'm going to be home and making TikToks. If I do leave, I'm going to be pairing it up with my Adidas sneakers and my bling bling watch, my favorite watch. And here we go. Guys, this is how I get ready for my days, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Super easy, super fun, and nothing too hard.